Our demand tracker uses live data for visualizing, tracking, and forecasting trends in student demand. We want our partners to unlock the demand tracker's full potential, enabling institutions to make informed, agile decisions which positively affect student recruitment. When opening the tool, the first thing you'll see is the Destination Demand Dashboard. This provides a view of search demand trends by destination market, helping institutions identify the impact of policy decisions and external factors on student behaviour. The next three dashboards provide top-of-the-funnel trends on where the demand is originating by market and city, with the ability to break down demand by subject area and subdiscipline. This means institutions are able to drill down demand by origin city, enabling delivery of targeted marketing and recruitment activities. If you continue over to the next three dashboards, these help to identify trends for subject demand at the top of the funnel, delivering real-time insights into the study intentions of students up to 2 years before they enrol. The final two dashboards allow institutions to benchmark their performance against a specific market or range of markets, and against a custom competitor group. Each one of our dashboards can be filtered across a range of areas, including date, destination and origin market, study level, and subject area. If you hover over the information icon, it will give you guidance on the use and functionality of each of the dashboards. Once you've finished customizing each of the dashboards, you can easily download and share your findings.